Hello everyone. Welcome to One Stop Academy English. Let's expand our vocabulary and learn different ways to say very good. You will learn the vocabulary, pronunciation, and how to use these words in different contexts. I hope you will find this lesson useful. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section at the end of the lesson. So you will be learning 10 different words which can be used instead of saying very good. The first one is amazing. This is a three-syllable word. I have underlined the syllables with green line and the stress is on the second syllable as shown by arrow. Amazing. So you stress the second syllable may, may, amazing. This device really works. Isn't it amazing? Fantastic. It's a three-syllable word. I have underlined all the syllables and the stress is on the second syllable. Fantastic, tastic, fantastic. So you will stress tas, second syllable. Sarah looks fantastic in red dress. Awesome. It's a two-syllable word. Syllables are underlined in the phonemic script and stress is on the first syllable as shown by the arrow. Awesome. Note that there is a sure sound in the second syllable, some. It's not some, some. Awesome. Sarah looks awesome in red dress. Exceptional. It's a four-syllable word. I have underlined all the four syllables in the phonemic script and stress is on the second syllable. Exceptional, sep. And the first sound is A, as in ship. It's not a. It's not exceptional. It's exceptional. Sarah's art has exceptional depth and detail. Terrific, terrific. It's a three-syllable word and stress is on the second syllable. I've underlined the syllables with green line and stress is shown by the arrow. Note that the first sound is t. It's not terrific or terrific. T, because there is a sure sound. T, terrific. I've heard a lot people saying terrific. It's not that. Terrific. The fireworks display last night was absolutely terrific. Wonderful, wonderful. It's a three-syllable word and the stress is on the first syllable. Wonderful. And note that the last sound is sure sound. You don't say full, full. Wonderful. We had a wonderful time in Canada last spring. Marvelous, marvelous. It's a three-syllable word. The stress is on the first syllable. R sound is almost missing. And it's not marvelous, as I've heard many times. It's marvelous. There is a sure sound in the second syllable, so it's marvelous, less, marvelous. Ronaldo is a genuinely marvelous sportsman. Do you agree? Splendid. It's a two-syllable word and the stress is on the first syllable. Splen, splen, splendid. The royal ballroom was decorated in the most splendid fashion. Fabulous. It's a three-syllable word and the stress is on the first syllable. Fab, fabulous. And as you can notice that the last syllable has the sh sound. It's not loose, it's less. Fabulous. The newly renovated garden was a fabulous sight, blooming with an array of vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Excellent. It's a three-syllable word and the stress is on the first syllable. As you can notice that there is a sh sound in the second and the third syllable. Excellent. Excellent. It's not excellent. It's excellent. Her house is in excellent condition. That was the end of today's lesson. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section and I'll see you again. Bye.